Hey guys, Nick here from Obsessed Garage. Right here we have the Active 2.0 pressure washer. So this is the full kit. This is not the tool only. Tool only has been discontinued, but we sell a ton of these units. It's probably the best entry-level unit in the world. So it says the 2 gallons a minute, has a really good lifespan, and we love them. So we thought it made sense to make a video unboxing it, showing everything that comes in the box. That way when you get it, you know what you should expect. So if something's missing, you can reach out. And if you're just shopping for one, maybe this will encourage you to purchase one. So let's get our knife. And let's just get to unboxing. If you were to get this either a la carte or in a solution, it'll come the same way. Like I mentioned, there is no tool only version. It's just one version for everything. A couple of boxes here on top. We'll get into this in one moment. This as well. So we have our foam cannon. It's not really a foam cannon, it's more of a chemical injector, but you probably won't be interacting with this a whole lot. So you can set that to the side. We have our unit itself. Some more packing material. So I'll go ahead and pull this out. And there's really not a whole lot to this package, unlike some of the bigger systems like the Comets or the Krenslas, where you get a ton in it and there's a ton of unboxing to do. It's pretty cut and dry. So we have our unit itself. It comes with a couple little caps on it, tag, and then we have our outlet. It comes with this little bubble wrap just to make sure everything shows up in one piece. Now, it's an important thing to mention when you get this, don't go cutting all of these off and ripping everything off initially in case you have any issues with this unit, which it's very rare. We really don't see a lot of problems with these, but if you do, it's a good idea to leave everything intact, keep everything in the box, at least for a couple of weeks. So here we go. So we have our gun. So this is the stock gun they legally have to include. I would recommend picking up a short gun. We have the end of the lance there. Some literature, as well as the nozzles that come with it. It looks like we have a little pick tool and just general safety stuff. And right here is the hose. So I believe this is a 25-foot hose, and as most hoses that come with stock pressure washers, it's not great, but if your only goal is to kind of spray off the driveway, it'll work. If you're doing any detailing, I would highly recommend picking up a OG hose. If you bought this in a solution, you already got one. So there you have it. That's everything that comes in the Active 2.0 box. Like I said, this pressure washer is amazing. I would highly recommend you get it in a solution. If you have any questions about it or you just want to pick it up, go to obsessedgarage.com. You can buy it there or reach out to us at support@obsessedgarage.com.